My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
What's up, love? Welcome back. If this is your very first time, my name is Toni, and I am so glad that you are here with me. I am super excited because today, for the very first time, I tried DIY eyelash extensions. I have been getting so irritated because every time I record a video, the corner of my lash pops up, and if you know, like you know, then you know. Enough is enough. I want to try these DIY lash extensions, so I picked up the Kiss Lash Couture Lash Okay, let's start that over. The Kiss Lash Couture Luxtensions collection. It's their 3D DIY faux lash extensions kit. Mouthful. Whew. Let's go ahead and get into the DIY lash extensions at home. Save some money, so if you want to look and see how I did this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Disclaimer. First things first, because y'all are all up in my personal business right now. Y'all all up in my skin. Y'all see the little breakouts on the side of my face, okay? Y'all see the little peach fuzz. Okay, don't come for me, okay? I'm going to dermaplane my face this week. This is pretty cool. When you open it up, it gives you little glueless pockets up here. So this is the area where you're gonna put your glue. It gives you a little brush, that way you can brush everything out nice and smooth. It gives you a little, what is this thing called? We just gonna call it the pincher, because I can't think of the technical name. So the pincher, after it's all and done, to, like, you know, squeeze the lashes together or whatever. So I'm going to take the semi-permanent lash adhesive. I'm not using any other products. I'm just using everything that came in the container, and I'm just gonna put a little bit into my little glue pocket that they have designated. I think that's about as close as I can get it to stay in focus. So we've got the short up here at the top, medium in the middle, and then we've got the longer ones at the bottom. So we're going to start off with I lied, take that back. You've got 2 rows of short and 2 rows of medium. So I'm going to start with the medium on the outer corner and work my way into short. I'm actually going to take this brush. I know that this brush is probably meant for the end of the process, but I'm going to take it anyway and just brush my real lashes up, because they like going every which way right now. I don't want to use any other product. I don't want to use any mascara or anything like that, because I've never used this glue, so I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't want to, you know, I don't want no irritation or anything like that. We're gonna pinch off the first one, and you do want to be careful because these are super thin. You don't want to pull it off too hard. You've got this little band on the bottom, and you want that to be clipped under, and you want the lashes to go upward. Take that, dip it into the glue, and they say don't oversaturate it. They say just put enough on there. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. You're gonna pull the lash up, and we're gonna take this, and they say get it as close to your lash as possible. Oh my gosh, hold on. I keep blinking. Lord help me. Watering. Oh my gosh, don't water. So I've got one on there. Let's go ahead and try this next one. Yeah, I got the bubble guts. Oh my gosh, my stomach's hurting. Okay, so we're gonna I think I want to put one on the end. I put that one kind of like up some. So far, so good. Super lightweight, comfortable. I'm not having any issues so far. This is not something that you want to rush through. Like, I suggest if you're trying to put on DIY lash extensions, you want to do this when you are not busy. Take the skinny side. Definitely make sure you don't poke your eye, and just give it a nice little gentle squeeze, not too much. You ain't trying to, you know, pinch your eyelids shut or nothing, but you do want to get in there, give it a nice squeeze so that that glue can stick to your natural lashes, okay? This is super tedious. I'm not gonna lie to you. This little thing was $11.99 at Ulta, okay? And this is not sponsored, by the way. This was me wanting to do this on my own. If you exercise a little bit of patience. You can end up saving yourself, you know, your $200 on lash extensions and do them at home by yourself, okay? Okay, so I honestly think that did the trick. Fan just a little bit. So put a little glue on there and just fan it for a brief second. Put the lash extension on there, dip it in the glue. Wait like 5 to 10 seconds. Let it get a little tacky, just like you would with your regular lash strip. I think that's what was the problem, was that I was trying to put it on there too quick and the glue wasn't drying enough, because now it's on there. I think I finally got the swing of it, y'all. Then when you lift your eyelash up, you really want to press and hold that lash into place. So I'm going to pull it up as much as possible. I'm going to push that lash in there, press and hold for a second. And then release. And you see, that time I actually finally got it on there in one little process. And then I just kind of gonna, you know, take a second, kind of fan my eye and let it dry. And I think that is my 100% process. I think we got it that time. Like, it's really starting to take shape. I am going to move over to the short side, and then I am going to wrap this up, because I mean, there's no point in y'all watching me do the other side. It's super repetitive and that would kind of be boring. Of volume I have from this side to this side. This is a $12 lash extension, y'all. Like $12, and it is giving the same amount of volume that you would get going to somebody. Now, I'm not telling y'all to stop going out to get lash extensions, but I'm just saying, if you want to save yourself some money, this is a really good affordable option to do at home. All you need is a steady hand and a good mirror, and you can get it done, and a little bit of time. Like I said, do not try to do this while you're rushing. Let me go ahead and finish out the other side, and then we'll come back and wrap this video up. Overall, I am super pleased with the DIY lash extensions. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it took me a little minute to kind of get my rhythm. Like I said, this was my very first time trying these on. I will give this Lash Couture Luxtension, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me if you've tried this product out and how it works for you. I'm really eager to see. That is all for today's video. If you have been here before, then baby, you already know. But if you have not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos are going up on my channel. And like today's video, we went back to old school tutorials. I'm just saying. Anyway, let me stop playing, because y'all know I get on here and I get to acting a fool. Anyway, thank you so much. Until next time, love. Bye.